Vitex agnus castus is the chase tree, or sometimes referred to just as Vitex. This is a small tree, large shrub to a small tree, very broad umbrella-shaped canopy. It grows really fast. The form is this broad spreading crown, very fine texture, prefers full sun. It's very, very heat tolerant, and plus any plant that you see that is blooming this prolifically, it's typically in full sun because it takes a lot of energy to produce that many flowers all at the same time. This is a palmately compound leaf shape. So this is the complete leaf right here, the petiole, and then either 5 to 7 leaflets connected all at one point. The color is kind of a gray-green to a dull green on the leaf color, and the margin on the leaflet could be smooth or could be serrated. In the species, it could just go either way. There's no fall color to this plant. Once it comes to the end of the growing season and it gets the frost, the leaves just drop. The stem on the chase tree is kind of slender and smooth, green to gray on the beginning, the newer growth, and then maturing to a gray. The trunks, the bark on the trunks are just ridges, just not very deep ridges, basically smooth with just a few ridges. No serious pest. It will tolerate just about anything. This is a really, really tough plant, very heat tolerant, very tolerant of different soils. You can cut it back to the ground and let it regrow from the roots. On very rare cold winters, it will actually freeze back to the ground. Last winter we had at the ARC a large chase tree, about 12 feet tall, freeze back to the ground, and it's regenerated up to about 4 foot tall here at the 1st of August. The flower structures are these sort of spiky flower structures, and they begin in June and July really for the height, and they continue to bloom sort of sporadically throughout the rest of the season until the frost. They're very showy. There's a white blooming cultivar as well. They're a little bit fragrant. After the flowers have faded, the same spikes have little clusters of brown and black seeds, not showy. The seeds are very viable, so you may have some volunteer plants coming up around the plant.